Hallo daar. Welcome back to the Learn Afrikaans series. This series offers the ultimate beginner's course in learning Afrikaans. Last time we did the voornaamwoorde, the pronouns. This time we will do the kleure, colors. Remember to subscribe if you enjoy the content. For early access to videos, worksheets and their answers, or just to support us, please visit our Patreon. Les 6, kleure, colors. We will be going over the Afrikaans colors and afterwards showing how they can be used in sentences. Pay attention to the differences and similarities between the Afrikaans and English. Also note the pronunciation. Die kleure. Rooi. Nog 'n keer. Rooi. Oranje. Oranje. Geel. Geel. Groen. Nog 'n keer. Groen. Blauw. Blauw. Pink. Nog 'n keer. Pink. Pers. Pers. Bruin. Nog 'n keer. Bruin. Wit. Wit. Grys. Grys. En laaste, swart. Swart. There also exist variations of some of these colors, such as ligblauw, ligblauw. For each of the following, lig, meaning light, is added to describe a lighter version of the color. Ligblauw, ligbruin, liggeel, ligpers, liggroen, liggrys. Alternatively, you can add donker in order to describe a darker color. Donkerrooi, donkerrooi, donkeroranje, donkergeel, etc. Let's see how you can use the kleure in sentences to describe things. Afrikaans works the same way as English. Kleure are adjectives, in Afrikaans called byvoeglike naamwoorde. They describe the nouns, in Afrikaans die selfstandige naamwoorde. For example, die tas is blauw. The bag is blue. Die tas is blauw. Let's look at another example. Die voël is geel. The bird is yellow. Die voël is geel. Next. Die appel is donkerrooi. The apple is dark red. Die appel is donkerrooi. Die lug is ligblauw. The sky is light blue. Die lug is ligblauw. Or if you want to say your favorite color, you would say, my gunsteling kleur is groen. My gunsteling kleur is groen. And if you want to ask someone, you say, wat is jou gunsteling kleur? Wat is jou gunsteling kleur? They might reply, ek hou baie van rooi. Ek hou baie van rooi. I like red a lot. In Afrikaans, for the adjectives, die byvoeglike naamwoorde, there usually exists an intensiewe vorm. Since the kleure are also byvoeglike naamwoorde, adjectives, they also have a intensiewe vorm. We will be making a whole separate video to go over the intensiewe vorme in more depth. But for now, let's go over it quickly. The intensiewe vorm exists to intensify the byvoeglike naamwoord. As one would say something is very red. Instead, there exists a unique word that carries this meaning. Let's look at the kleure and their intensiewe vorme. Rooi in its intensiewe vorm is bloedrooi. Bloedrooi. Oranje is skeloranje. Skeloranje. Geel is goudgeel. Goudgeel. Let's do all the rest. Groen. grasgroen, grasgroen. Blou, potblou, potblou. Pink, skreeuwpink, skreeuwpink. Pers, pimpelpers, pimpelpers. Bruin, chocoladebruin, chocoladebruin. Wit, spierwit, spierwit. Grys, loodgrys, loodgrys. Swart, pikswart, pikswart. Now let's see it in some sentences. Die oggendson is skeloranje. Die oggendson is skeloranje. The morning sun is very orange. Next one. Haar naels is skreeuwpink. Haar naels is skreeuwpink. Her nails are very pink. Now you should have a decent understanding of the Kleure in Afrikaans, their variations and their Intensiewe vorm. If you wish to test yourself, you can visit our Patreon for the worksheets with the answers. To better learn, make sure to watch this video again. Baie dankie. In order to help our channel, you can like this video, share and subscribe. Any feedback or questions can be commented below. Bye.